So lately I've seen some videos on social media talking about light feathering, or also known as using the edges of your light modifier to light your subject. But does it really work? Well, let's give it a try, shall we? On most soft light modifiers, the light is typically brighter in the middle, creating what is known as a hotspot. This is usually one stop brighter in the middle compared to the edges of the light. So this is how they make the light look harsh on those social media videos. When the light has been pushed forward for feathering effect, we lose about one stop. This makes the exposure look correct, because the camera was set to accommodate this one stop loss in output. As you can see, the contrast is lowered, but the positions of the shadows have changed, and we've lost that very punchy look that we had earlier on. So let's see how feathering works with butterfly lighting. We have our octobang positioned overhead, pointed at a 45 degrees angle at the subject. As you can see, once we move the light away from the subject, feathering the light, the shadow has changed. The shadow below the nose is almost gone. So there you go, light feathering. If you want a lower contrast, it may work. But if you have a very specific lighting style, or you want a stronger contrast, probably not. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you again next time for more no fluff videos on lighting.